Welcome to Lakeland College's virtual open house. Even though we can't have you on campus this year, we are excited to have you attend our fun virtual open house experience. My name is Kaylee, and I'm going to show you how to find all your open house information on our website. So we'll start at lakelandcollege.ca. Click on Admissions. Under Plan a Visit, click on Open House. So this open house webpage is where you'll find all the information for our virtual open house. Scrolling down here, you'll see our open house help center. So if you have any questions during open house, feel free to give us a call or chat with us virtually. As always with open house, we recommend that if you're interested in a particular program, and if you have questions about that particular program, attend a webinar hosted by each of our academic areas. In those webinars, you'll get to chat with current students, you'll get to meet the faculty, you'll get to learn all about the program. Some of them have demos, tours, everything like that. So if you are interested in a particular program, definitely check out all of the activities that they have going on virtually, which I'll dive into more here in a minute. So Friday and Saturday schedules, you'll see these are a quick schedule at a glance, which you'll find everything that is happening and what time it's happening at. If you're wanting to apply for free during our open house, on Apply Alberta, you will need the promo code to waive the application fee, and it will be posted here for you to copy and paste into Apply Alberta. Also, if you have any questions while applying, need some tips and tricks, we've created this e-document to help you with the Apply Alberta system. But if you wanted to chat with somebody, you can contact our admissions staff, which their contact information will be posted here. So if you have any questions about applying, this is where you would go. Admissions, Student Life, and International. So we are hosting an international webinar for international students Friday morning. Also, our student support team is hosting a webinar, 2 on Friday and 1 on Saturday. So in there you can learn more about health services, student supports, counseling, Indigenous supports, financial aid and awards. Also, if you're interested in living in residence, you can view our 360 tours here or check out their FAQs there. And here is where you'll find all the webinars that are happening specific to each program area. Some of them have also posted some fun videos that you can view before or after the sessions, and you can enter the sessions directly from these links here. Just keeping in mind, they are at various times throughout the day, so mark it in your calendar when the session is that you would like to attend. And once you've attended a program session, if you want to do a tour of our campus, click on Virtual Tours. You can see our 360-degree tours here. And we also have a fun guided tour by our recruitment team, Shania and Danielle. So Shania will take you through the Lloydminster campus, and Danielle will take you through the Vermilion campus with our student managed farm and also our emergency training center. So again, here's where you'll find all of the open house information. If you have any questions, we are here. Please contact us. We look forward to welcoming you to our virtual open house. And thanks so much for choosing Lakeland College.